Hi, Andrew here with the plan of the week. This week, we celebrate Women's Equality Day, marking the anniversary of the 19th Amendment, honoring the ongoing journey towards equal rights and opportunities for women in America. It's a perfect time to spotlight women leaders, elevate voices within organizations, and host events or campaigns empowering the next generation. This week's featured course is Implement Like a Pro, because strategy is important but not sufficient. This course will help you develop a comprehensive business strategy and, more importantly, be inspired to actually execute it effectively. Jeffrey Dunn, founder and executive director of The Boss, the business one-stop shop, is our featured small business member of the week. Explore the links below to discover more about him and his business. Do you ever wonder why some messages stick and others don't? If so, you'll want to check out our live stream tomorrow evening. I'll be talking with Barry Cohen about how to message right or not at all. Last week, I spoke with Colin Graves about unlocking the power of AI on a shoestring budget. Check out the video highlights below. Also, you don't want to miss our new podcast on Thursday morning with Scott Springer. We discussed how to grow faster and maximize profit by solving the capacity conundrum. There are no additional events this week. All is quiet since this is the week before Labor Day. It's a great time to step back and prepare yourself so that you can finish strong and make 2025 your best year ever. Get more details on these events below in the POW and check out our website events calendar page for more details about upcoming events. Scroll down through the POW for business tips, opportunities, and more event details. I look forward to helping you make 2025 your best year ever. And always remember, the more that you know, the faster your business will grow.